How to change Gmail password on iPhone and Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, in here, click on Manage your Google account at the top. Then click on Security and Sign In. After you click on Security and Sign In, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and click on Password. After you click on Password, verify it's you or enter password. After it's done, you'll find this kind of screen. Add your new password and type again. After that, press on Change Password at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to change Gmail password on iPhone and Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.